Hello and welcome to this RAIDIX software tutorial. In this video series, we will go over the basic functions of RAIDIX software. Let's begin by entering our username and password to log into the system. Once we log in, we see the home screen, which shows us the basic condition of the system. We can see things like the number of disks installed, number of slots, and the total raw storage capacity. In the top right-hand corner, we can look at our alerts if we have any. And above this, we can switch our language preference by clicking on our username and selecting from the drop-down menu. In the footer, we can see information about our software version. In this video, we'll create a RAID array. Begin by clicking on Storage. Then we see our basic parameters again. Let's go down to click Create RAID, give our new RAID array a nice name, and select the RAID level. The I stands for initialize, meaning RAID levels 6 and 7.3 can be optimized for random write operations. You can refer to the administrative guide for more information. For this demo, we will select RAID level 7.3. This level provides triple distributed parity for almost full fault tolerance. This is based on RAIDIX's own RAID calculation algorithm. RAID level depends on the task. Triple parity is extremely useful when using SATA disks among other reasons. Next, we will choose the disks we want to build our new array on. Click Select. For this tutorial, we'll select 12 disks. Below, we can see the raw storage capacity rising as we select our disks. Complete the process by hitting Select. Let's allow a cache of 4 GB. Finish by clicking Create. Here we see our newly created RAID array, including the RAID size and available space. We click Test, and now we will create a LUN. Click Create LUN and give your LUN a name. Now we must configure LUN size. LUN size is limited by the usable storage of a RAID array. This is great for working with projects with large files, allowing the file not to be split across several LUNs. Click on our new LUN name, and here we can see a list of FC ports and other parameters. For this LUN, we will allow iSCSI. We will return to the storage page to see a graphic of our newly created system. Next, we are going to look at the host. Click Host at the top of your screen. Here we can see information about our hosts, including their names, as well as all other active sessions. Next, let's move to the system, beginning with nodes. In a dual controller configuration, you will see 2 nodes. You can restart a node or power it off here. Let's return to the System menu. Next, click License. Here we can see information about our license, including license type, drive supported, and valid until date. Status is good. Note that the license price depends on the number of disks, not the storage capacity. Let's look at slots. Here we see our available slots and their status. Click on Smart Information to view more specifics about a given disk. You can click here to make a disk blink with its LED indicator. If the disk needs to be replaced, you can easily hot swap it with a replacement. The system will automatically rebuild itself. Next, let's move to adapters. Here we find information on the condition and parameters of the adapters installed in the system. RAIDIX supports iSCSI, Fiber Channel, and InfiniBand. Now we move to sensors. Here we can see if the system is healthy. Let's move to network. This section includes general network settings. All network-related parameters can be set here. Let's check replication. If you use replication, it can be turned on here. Replication ensures data reliability and access continuity in case of physical hardware failures. Next, let's check out iSCSI. All iSCSI-related issues can be configured here. Next, notification. Here you can set up the way you want to receive notifications from the system. You can add an email or add an SNMP. Next, let's look at System Configuration Recovery. Here you can save the configurations you wish to apply to the system, downloading from file or reloading from an existing. Next, let's look at the Statistics Monitoring module, which allows system administrators to gather and analyze storage usage statistics in real time, as well as estimate and increase storage performance. The module consists of 2 functional sections: Data Rate and Trace. Data Rate section provides detailed information on the system performance and allows to make assessment of the data exchange rate using the following charts. See, we have response time and transfer size. Next, let's look at the trace section. This section is aimed at engineers who perform the primary selection of storage configuration and commissioning operations. Here we see an LBA graph. This shows the logical blocks address from which the data transfer starts and what commands were received. The displayed information can be set using the control panel filters at the top of this page. We also have a transfer length graph, which shows the volume of data transferred by commands. Information on each command size is represented in sectors. Let's return to the home screen. This concludes our tutorial. Specific information can be found on our website, or feel free to email us. Thanks for watching.